Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy. If you like high-end looking decor, but you like decorate on a budget, I have 5 fantastic dollar store DIYs for spring that you are going to love. So let's get to it. The first project I have is a Hello Spring picture. I designed a picture that says Hello Spring, and I will leave the link in the description so you can download it for free, or you can design your own. I popped it into a dollar store frame, and then I added a garland of pom-poms. I made these pom-poms, but if you want, you can buy them already pre-made at the dollar store, or you can use anything you want. I also did one where I made a homemade felt flower. You can use artificial flowers from the dollar store. Really, anything that says spring to you, you can use. So the next project I have is a simple DIY dollar store project, and it is a 3-tiered tray. So basically you take a tiered tray that you have and you just add dollar store decor to it. So I'll show you some of the things on my tray just to give you an idea. This is a green ball that was just in the floral section of the dollar store. I also found this in the crafts section. It was just a plain wood birdhouse. I painted it with dollar store blue paint, and then I added contact paper on the roof to make the roof of it. I also have this cute little concrete vase with a little succulent in it. This came from the dollar store. It was $2. I found this little jar and I filled it with dollar store buttons and added some lace to the top. And these buttons also came from the dollar store. And I have this little plant, and it came in this little concrete planter. So it's really cute too. So find a bunch of things that go together at the dollar store, display them on a cute tiered tray, and you're ready for spring. Another fun DIY for spring is a candy tray. So seriously, how cute is that, right? So what I did was I took a dollar store frame, just a plain white wooden frame, and I put some cardstock inside, some scrapbook paper that I already had in like a nice summery color, and that easily becomes a tray. And then I picked up some jars from the dollar store, filled it with some dollar store candy, and when you put it on a tray with a little vase of pom-pom flowers, you have a spring candy tray that's decorative and fun. The next dollar store DIY that I have is this super cute umbrella wreath. I purchased this yellow umbrella. It's a children's umbrella at the dollar store. Filled it with dollar store flowers, tied it with a pink ribbon just to keep everything in place, and I can hang that on my front door, and it's a super cute spring wreath. Spring is also all about flowers. So this super cute flower arrangement is a great DIY spring project. I just picked up this tin at the dollar store, put some floral foam inside, covered it with dollar store moss, and then I took some flower picks, kind of snipped them off individually, stuck them in, and came up with this. And it's really, really cute and super inexpensive. I hope you liked my 5 dollar store DIYs for spring. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.